24. Chicory curly endive, 1 serving equals 30 g 250 ml. Very high in vitamin K, 114% recommended daily intake per serving. High in folacin, 15% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C, 12% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat-free, 0.1 g per serving. 25. Collards, 1 serving equals 19 g 125 ml. Very high in vitamin K, 121% recommended daily intake per serving. High in folacin, 15% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C, 11% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium-free, 4 mg per serving. Fat-free, 0.1 g per serving. 26. Corn. A medium ear of corn has 82 calories. It is a source of fiber and contains potassium, magnesium and folate. It is also a great source of phytochemicals. 1 serving equals 85 g kernels from 1 medium. Source of vitamin C, 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 240 mg per serving. 27. Crookneck, 1 serving equals 69 g 125 ml. Source of vitamin C, 22% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of folacin, 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat-free, 0.2 g per serving. 28. Cucumber. 4 slices of cucumber, about an ounce or 28 g, contains 3 calories. Many of the nutrients and phytochemicals are found in the skin. 1 serving equals 85 g 1/4 medium, 1 mini. Sodium-free, 0 mg per serving. Fat-free, 0 g per serving. 29. Daikon, 1 serving equals 338 g 1 radish. Very high in vitamin C, 124% recommended daily intake per serving. High in magnesium, 22% recommended daily intake per serving. High in copper, 19% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron, 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of calcium, 8% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B6, 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in potassium, 767 mg per serving. Fat-free, 0.3 g per serving. 30. Dandelion greens, 1 serving equals 58 g 125 ml. Very high in vitamin K, 566% recommended daily intake per serving. High in vitamin C, 34% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron, 13% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of calcium, 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B2/riboflavin, 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium, 8% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B1/thiamine, 8% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of folacin, 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 231 mg per serving. 31. Edamame, soybeans, 1 serving equals 135 g 125 ml. Very high in vitamin C, 65% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in vitamin B1, 45% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in magnesium, 35% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in iron, 34% recommended daily intake per serving. High in calcium, 24% recommended daily intake per serving. High in zinc, 15% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in fiber, 6 g per serving. Very high in potassium, 839 mg per serving.